My name is Steve McFeely and we're here in Zozimus bar in the heart of Dublin City. So Zozimus was opened in March of 2016 and we're a high-end cocktail bar and we strive on customer service, so everything here is just solely based on the customer. So whatever they need, whatever they want, that's what we're here for. So I used the Italian Spritz Lyres and we made kind of a take on a fizz. So it was the Italian Spritz, soured orange juice. We used pink grapefruit juice and our own homemade mixed berry syrup. And we put our own raspberry homemade crumb on top.